two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Revolut account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. You can typically choose between SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. After selecting your method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Once confirmed, save your settings to ensure 2FA is activated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Revolut account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe and secure.